Hello. In this video we are going to construct your Toolbox menu. I've already written the layout, as you can see. However, if you run the program, it doesn't write the menu. This is because we need to write out a constructor to call the menu painter class. You've already done something similar to this before, but yet you haven't realized it. Ed will suggest that you write your constructors like the following. My constructors will be slightly different that you will notice throughout the video, and that is simply because our style is different. With Ed's style, however, it allows you to rename the class and draw out the desired method from the renamed class. Knowing that, let's run what we have. We can now see our menu. Notice that the lines are neat to an extent. Don't try to cram your menu together and make it unreadable. Only one thing is missing now from what we have, and that's navigation. I'm going to pull up a bunch of code and copy it down, and then I will explain what we're looking at in a moment. What we are looking at is a big if tree of conditions. It basically depicts what will happen if any of the conditions shown apply. It goes from top to bottom, and if nothing happens, it'll use the else. That will tell you that the input was not recognized, and then it will reinitialize the menu using the ifWrongInput class. This class has one line in it, and it is simply a constructor that recalls out the menu paint method. This is because you cannot call a method that is already in use. You can think of this class as a dummy class that is briefly used to repeat the process. The real important thing to remember is a way to close the program. In my case, it's by typing out quit in lowercase lettering, and the menu tells you this right when you initialize the program. Each of my classes used in all of the 8 choices have the same exact code. It says that the class has not been used yet, and on hitting enter, it fills the input string and returns to menu painter. Notice the line breaks that clean the console a little bit. All in all, each of the menu options checks for the correct number, as you can see. And if it is that correct number, it'll call the class with the correct constructor. Let's go ahead and test this. We'll try to pull out the class 1. This class has not been implemented yet. It'll wait for you to hit enter in order to continue, where it'll bring back up the menu painter class. Let's try punching in something that it's not expecting. It tells you that it is not correct, and then it will repeat the process all over again. Now let's close the program. I hope this became useful for you in building your own toolbox, and thank you. I will see you in the next video.